So you guys might have recently seen on the last video, unfortunately somebody hit my Audi RS3, filed an insurance claim, went ahead and made the appointment, took it over to the collision repair facility. About a week later, got the call that everything was good to go, was ready for pickup. Unfortunately, upon pickup, it would appear that additional damage was done to my car. Told the shop manager that the condition of the repair was quite unacceptable and that this needs to be addressed. They told me they were going to replace the rocker molding. As you can see, there's just egregious scratches just all over the place. There's tool marks. You can see the rocker molding is not sitting flat as it should. I did receive a call about a week later during their second attempt at repair. Unfortunately, it looks like they sanded down the door too much. It actually went through the paint, so now they're going to have to repaint the whole door again. At this point, guys, the nightmare is still not over. I'm just super bummed, man. This has been such an absolute disaster. Really has stifled my creativity. And I really hope that pretty soon we can put this problem to rest and move on. Hopefully this gets fixed. If not, we're going to have to escalate the situation, guys. But stay tuned for more updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.